Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Panache. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. If you're new here, this is Veena here and this is my channel Panache. I make a lot of videos here on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, a lot of fun challenges with my family. So if you're new here and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also share it with your contacts if you like it, that is. And also do not forget to follow me on my Insta page. It's called panache.makeupartist. I post a lot of stuff over there too. I post some glimpses of the future videos coming up. I post some makeup tutorials, mini makeup tutorials, some makeup looks, some outfit looks, so you know, a lot of stuff there also, so you can follow me there if you haven't yet. And that's it. So today's video is going to be something for everybody. If you like a simple eyeliner or if you like a bold eyeliner, I have something for everybody. So I'm going to be showing 10 eye looks using just a simple eyeliner or a kohl and a little bit of eyeshadow maybe. So if you're if you're somebody who likes to experiment with your looks, there is something for you. If you're a person who's really wants to go very simple with your looks, there is something for you too. So my eyes are bare today. I've only done my face. So let's move on with this video. So look 1 is going to be a simple classic eyeliner. Okay, now the product that I would be using today is this eyeliner. This is a Swiss Beauty eyeliner. This is something which I always use. I don't know how many times I've purchased this, but this is something which is very user friendly. Even if you're a beginner and you're not used to, you do not have a steady hand in drawing a wing, this will really help you out. Trust me. So if you're really looking out for a good eyeliner, go for this. It's really it's very inexpensive. I think it's just about 150 or so, or even cheaper during sales. So this is something really that you can look at, and also very long lasting. So you can look at this. So I'll be doing the first look. First look is a simple classic eyeliner. All you have to do is just draw a line close to your lashes on top. That's all. That's it. Can you see that? This is a simple classic eyeliner. Just draw a very thin line and you can see the difference. Immediately your eye looks a little open and it looks nice. So this is the first look. I'll complete the other eye and get back. This is the first look. Now the second look is, all you have to do is draw a very simple, small, tiny wing. Especially if you have hooded eyes, okay, it's very, a small wing will look really nice. So all you have to do is, wherever you've ended this eyeliner, just drag it a little out and then join it. That's all. So that's what I'm going to do. See, just little bit and join. That's simple. I'll finish the other eye and get back. So can you see that? It has immediately given you a nice lift to your eyes, a little something. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just perfect. So the third look is going to be where you make a nice bold wing. Drag it a little more close to the end of your eyebrow, okay, and make the line a little more thick wherever you draw on the first eyeliner. So that's all I'm going to do. Thicken the line first, as you can see. Especially if you have big eyes, it's going to look really nice. So you can try this, and I'll drag this a little more close to the end of my eyebrows. See? And join it. Thicken it completely. See that it's even. There. Can you see that? All you have to do is just drag it a little more close to your end, to the end of your eyebrow, and thicken the line, and you can see the difference. This is so much bolder than this one. I'll complete the other eye and get back. So can you see that? This is the way, you know, your eye looks nice and bold now. Now, the next look, that is the fourth look, is you create a foxy eye. Now, what you do for that is, from the corner over here, you create a small tiny wing. All you do is drag your eyeliner here below. Can you see that? And join it a little bit and create a small tiny wing. Can you see that? So it gives a nice foxy look. I'll complete the other eye and get back. So this is how it looks. Now the next look, that is the fifth look, is going to be a bold kohl. So you put a nice, you know, good amount of kohl over here and tight line your eyes. So it gives that nice almond kind of a shape to your eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. So I tightline my eyes now. This is also a very nice eyeliner. I mean, a nice kajal kohl, you could say. This is from Calabar. I'll link it down below if you want. It's very, very nice. Super jet black. There. Can you see? It creates a nice almond shape to your eyes. You can see the difference. Okay, now I'll complete the other eye and get back. Look 6. Now look 6 is about adding some color to your eyeliner. Now this is a simple black eyeliner. Everything is all black and black. So I'm wearing something green today, green, dark green and white. So if depending on the outfit you're wearing, you can add a pop of color. It will change your eye look completely. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this green eyeliner. Okay, this is again from Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty products are awesome, especially their eyeliners are too good. So what I'm going to do is, very close to the eyeliner that I have, the wing that I've created, just below that, touching that wing in the end, I'm like an outline, I'm going to put this green. So it's going to give a slight pop of color and it's going to look really, really beautiful. You can see. See, can you see that? Just a little bit of pop of color and your look looks completely different. So I'll finish the other eye and get back. So that's it. Can you see? Just a pop of color. Depending on whatever outfit you're wearing, if you're wearing yellow, if you're wearing red, if you're wearing any color, you can just create your normal wing and just put a little bit of pop of color below the wing and it's going to look different. It's going to look nice and really good, you know. So it's going to look really, really something different, you know, to your look. So you can try this, experiment with your looks, guys. It's going to be, you know, you never know what's going to look good on you. So give it a try. The next one, what I'm going to do is, this is going to be using two colors. Now I've already used green here. Now since I have white, I'm going to use this white eyeliner. And this is from Nikake. Okay, I'll put the product links below if you want, or you can comment in the comment box if you want the product links and I will send it to you, no problem. So what I'm going to do is, this white eyeliner, okay, I'm going to put it wherever I've created this wing here in the corner, just below that wing. So there, that's all. Can you see? There's green here and there's a little bit of white here and it looks really nice and different. So I'll finish the other eye and get back. That's it. Can you see? A little bit of pop of color here and here. Now depending on whatever outfits you wear, you can either wear only one color over here, or you can try this dual color. So this is the next look. Now let's move on to the next look. For that I'll have to wipe off my eyes again and get back. So let me get back. So I'm back. I just took off the color that I had put under this wing over here and in the corner, and I took off that foxy wing that I had created. Now I'm just here with the normal wing, the bold wing that I had created, and the kohl. Okay, now I'm going to do the next look, which is it's called the cartoon look. So for that what you have to do is, you take a nice glittery eyeshadow if you have something like this. Okay, this is from Pixie. Take any color that you like, especially now with all the festivals coming up. and wedding season coming up, if you're wearing something a little glittery, what you can do is just create a wing like this. Take a flat brush, something like this, okay, dip it into glitter, whatever glitter shade that you have, any glitter shade that you have for that matter, and just place it where you've created this wing, okay, on the black basically. So you just place it there. Can you see that? So this immediately gives a nice glittery wing. That's all. It's so easy to create and it looks really nice. Looks like you've taken a lot of trouble with your eye look, but it's so simple to create. So this is all that you have to do. Take it on your brush and use your wing that you created as a guide and place it over that. That is all. And you can see how beautiful it looks. I'll complete the other eye and get back. Next look, and this is the 9th look. What I'm going to do here is, you can either do it with this look or probably you can just have a normal wing that you created and take any color from your palette. This is my Jaclyn Hill palette here. Take any bright color depending on the outfit that you're wearing. If you're wearing yellow, suppose I'm wearing yellow, I'm going to take a yellow from this palette over here. As you can see, I'm going to take yellow and just pop it in the corner of my eye. That's all. Can you see that? I don't know if it's visible. Depending on how bright you want it, you can intensify it accordingly. Just put a pop of color with the eyeshadow here. That's it. It looks really nice, it looks different, and this is so much in trend right now. A lot of people doing this with different colors. So you just make a normal wing, or if you want, you can just do this and put a simple wing without, a simple eyeliner without the wing, and try this pop of color. So I'll finish the other eye and get back. So this is it. I created the similar look for my welcome video, which I created the first video for my channel. So if you've not seen it, you can check it out. And this is how it looks. Just a little bit of pop of color in the inner corner of your eyes, and it looks different, it looks nice, it looks classy. So this is it. Now let's move on to the last and final look. Last and final look. This is the 10th look, and this is the most famous reversed eyeliner look, reversed wing. Instead of creating an eyeliner on top and then creating a wing, you create an eyeliner below and then create a wing. This is the most famous eyeliner look nowadays, which is so trending. So let's do this. So what you need to do is take your eyeliner, your same favorite eyeliner or whatever eyeliner you like. I'm going with the same one. And to get good precision and to have nice sturdy hand, what you need to do is place your hand on your cheek, so you get that support when you're creating that wing. So you place your hand on the cheek and create the wing. Now you create the wing from below, not from top. So you pull it out from below and create an eyeline close to your lower lash line. Create an eyeline close to your, see, and just drag it on top like that. You can again create a foxy eye doing that, which I'm going to do. And you just join this wing here. Can you see that? Now whatever gaps are there that you see over here, you fill those gaps up using a nice kohl pencil. So then it looks nice and neat. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll fill it up with a nice kohl using my same color bar. And see, fill up all the gaps nice and neatly. Check your wing once again. If you're satisfied with it, you leave it to that. I will just fill it up a bit. Okay, and that's it. Can you see that? I'll finish the other eye and get back. Also, do not forget to finish your eyes using a nice coat of mascara. So that will actually complete your eye look. So I'll do that and get back. So that's it. This is how it looks. You know, it's just a reverse wing eyeline. That's it. Very simple to achieve. It's all about practice. I finished it off with a nice coat of mascara, and that's all. So this is how the video was today. I tried 10 different looks. Very simple to achieve. Some simple looks, some a little bit, you know, a little glam look, some a little quirky looks. So you can try them at home and see whatever works for you. And you never know, you know, you might really be able to pull it off. So give it a try and let me know what you think about it. Let me know which eye look you like the most. And if you want me to create any other videos, something like this, or any other ideas, any other suggestions whatsoever, please do comment and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to do that, like always. And now, without any further ado, let me end this video. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay happy. And also guys, please do not forget to check my video coming up on the 26th. I'll be having a huge giveaway, so please subscribe if you haven't yet, because the rules are very simple. All you need to do is stay subscribed. So subscribe to my channel and you'll have a chance to participate in that huge giveaway coming up. It's my birthday, and it's time for me to give back to all of you all for all the love that you all have given me. So thank you so much once again. Bye bye. See you all very soon in my next video.